Hello friends, this is Rajiv Mondal, so welcome to back my channel. So today I'll be discussing about an internship for hotel industry or hospitality sector. So what are the best for in our industry for abroad in India? So guys, today I'll be discussing about in training purpose and is one by one shared in what are the best for in our training in abroad or India. So just guys, I will be sharing one by one, and this is topically first of all I'm telling in India. Okay, so guys, is India is training is best, but I'll gather to another session for is abroad is very best, because why is choose abroad. So don't skip this video, please. Is running for video and is enjoyable with your life. Please not quit this video. So if you quit this video, don't understand for what I'm saying. Okay, so just don't skip this video. First of all, I'm telling in India basically is very good and very naturally is training also in hotel industry. So just I'll telling is India have to training in 4 core department. What have this hospitality sector, how many types of department in here? Okay, first of all I'm telling you is 4 department also here. What are this? Number one is food production. Number 2 is food and beverage service. Number 3 is front office. Number 4 is the housekeeping. So basically we are this 4 department also here. And just guys, is have to 4 department means you are not going for is 4 department work in every times. Okay, just I'll be sharing we why going which department are we interested, just your choice, but not also me. Okay, so guys, is I'll shared in 4 department in India is available in every hotel is 4 department. Okay, whenever going to is India for a industrial training, you go to very important thing here in 4 department you want to training. Okay, but abroad is not also being a 4 department. Abroad have a only 1 department. Okay, that's why I'm telling you is this best for abroad. So I'll explain why abroad best and why India best. Because if you don't have any knowledge for any particular department, you don't choose any particular department. Just guys, I request whose person don't have any particular department choosable, you go India and you stay India, and you training in India. That's the best for not going for abroad. Because whose person have knowledge, whose person have a target, he was going to is abroad is very good, and whose person have a target, suppose I like that any one person have a going for food production. Okay, only for food production he want to chef, become a chef, upcoming chef. So just guys, I'm telling you, you want to going abroad. Okay, so that's a very good possible for you, because this time is very good cuisines also in food production. Have to in Indian cuisines, have to continental cuisines, have to Chinese cuisines, have to Thai cuisines, have to very different kinds of cuisines all over the world. Okay, so just guys, I tell you is one thing for India, whose person don't have any knowledge, don't have any choosable department, you guys stay in India. Okay, so why? Because you whenever you stay in India, just any hotel going to like that Oberoi, Taj, and heavy Hyatt is a Lemon Tree. It is different kind of hotel also here in India. So you guys stay any hotel and going for any hotel, and competition is 1 year internship. Okay, then you choose what department based, and why this based, you understand that's time. Okay, but whose person is always understand, whose person know for I preferable for food production, I know that it's I have to good experience here. So that's I request for that students, you go abroad, because you whenever going to abroad, that's time you get an opportunity for is 1 department 1 year internship. Okay, that's why I'm telling, because whenever you choose, suppose like that any kind of students, any departments, suppose like food production. Okay, food production you choose. Okay, so you whenever you're going to abroad, that's time you get a good opportunity for in only for one department for food production. You completion your training 1 year. Okay, so that's time you understand, what are the food production and what have these different kinds of cuisines, and how many types of spices there, how many types of different kinds of stylish and skills there, you understand. Okay, and you make it properly how to cook that and how to cook these cuisines. Okay, so that's why I'm telling this. And any one department you choose in housekeeping, you choose in food and beverage services, short from F&B department. Okay, and you choose in front office, no problem. What department you choosable, you go any countries like that Dubai, like that Mauritius, Maldives, like that New Zealand, Finland, is the Netherlands, have to Australia, USA, that's it. And whose person is don't know, you just stay in India and you cover in 4 core department in 1 year, and you choose what department best for you. Okay, not for otherwise, you choose. Okay, that's why. And then you going for what are department you are best, you know, and that's then you will be going for whenever join your job times, you going out particular one departments. Okay, that's why I'm telling today. So thank you so much whose person is staying and watching my video. And please, I'll request for you, please be share this channel and also subscribe here. Thank you so much. Namaskar.